Hello everyone, my name is Ranveer Singh and today we are going to be unboxing the Lenovo Smart Tab M10 FHD Plus. So let's start our video. So first we are going to be removing the tab out of the box. Okay guys, so now we have removed the tab and it is looking so beautiful in the iron grey color. So now let's remove the tab out of its cover. This tab has an 8 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. So now let's turn our tab on. It comes in a size of 24.4 into 15.3 centimeters and it weighs 460 grams. It comes with a 4 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. And please make sure to be subscribed to my channel for more new and interesting videos. So now the tab has turned on. So now let's take a look in the accessories box. Guys, it has so many accessories. So let's start one by one. So the first one is the adapter, and this tab comes with 5000 mAh battery. Next, we got Type-C cable. And then a micro USB cable. We also got a SIM pin. And this is the best of all. It is a smart charging station. Okay guys, for the last we have quick start guide. So now I am going to show you how to use the smart charging station to charge your tab. So first, take the micro USB cable and attach it to the adapter. Now, take the micro USB cable and attach it under the smart charging station, just like that. Now, plug the adapter in and turn the switch on. Then, take your tab and place this part on it. Just like that, and your tab will start charging. So these are all the details of our Lenovo Smart Tab. And these are the related pictures. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.